All right, algebra benchmark 2.2, combining like terms. First thing we're going to do is distribute this negative sign through the set of parentheses here. So that's going to be negative 6x, and then minus y, or plus the opposite of y, and then plus positive 2xy. I'm going to recopy this. The parentheses don't affect the first part of that problem. And then simply combine the stuff that looks the same. We have x's here and x's here. So I have negative 4x minus 6x, or plus negative 6x if you prefer, is negative 10x. And we have the y's we can combine. So negative 2y minus y is minus 3y. If you want to make that plus negative 1y, I'd say negative 2 plus negative 1 is negative 3. And plus the 2xy doesn't have anything to combine with. So that's going to be our answer. Number 2. The only thing that looks tricky here is this little set of parentheses there. And I'm just going to make that a plus 5x when I get there. So I'll recopy 7x cubed. Maybe I'll go plus negative 2y plus 8x plus 5x plus 4y. Let's get a little color here. I'm going to take all my x's, which is just these two right here. Those will combine together. My y's I can put together, and there's nothing that goes with the 7x cubed. So 7x cubed, then have negative 2y, or let's do x's first. Let's do 13x's, and then the y's. So negative 2y plus 4y is positive 2y. Circle that answer. That's all we can do. Don't try to combine those together any further, because they're different units. And then this looks like a pretty complicated one. It's a pretty long one. I'm just going to start left to right, I guess. I'll just start recopying where I need to. I have 3 CD squares and just a 3 CD. Now those are different. I cannot combine those together because these are D squares involved in there, and this one's not. Minus 4D, negative 5C. So the parentheses don't mean anything in this case right there. That means nothing. So just get rid of them because I'm just adding that stuff. So I'm just going to make that a negative 5C. This negative here, though, does affect everything inside there. The minus means take away all that stuff or change all of the signs in there. So I'm going to go minus D minus C plus 2CD squared. So the opposite of this positive, opposite of this positive, and opposite of that negative. And then at the end, just plus the CD squared. Now combine stuff together. Where do we start? Let's start with the CD squares. I'll circle them because just they're kind of spread out here. Okay, so I have 3, 4, 5, 6. That's just a 1 in front of this. So 3, 4, 5, 6 CD squares. And then I have, so I'll just maybe cross those off so I don't worry about those. And maybe I'll go to the 3 CDs. There's no other CDs, like together CDs. So 3 CDs. And then maybe alphabetical order here, I'll do the C's. So minus 6 C's, because negative 5 plus negative 1 C is negative 6 C. I could think of it like that if I want. And then my D's are right here. It's getting kind of messy. And then we got negative 4D minus D is negative 5D. Or minus 5D. Either way, if you want to put the negative 1 there, negative 4 there, negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. Put it in that form if you want. Doesn't matter to me if you put minus or plus negative. And that should be about it.